Okay, so welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be reviewing and saying my thoughts on the JBL Boombox 2. As you can see, I have here. This speaker's pretty new as far as I'm concerned in the UK. I got it a couple days ago. As you can see, it's already had some use out of it. A couple of drops, a couple of, footballs to the face, but more to be said on that. But my initial thoughts on the speaker is that I think it looks a lot nicer than the first gen one, which you see in the subs are now black, obviously, still metal, but it's got this funny almost like petal shape around the outside, which is very nice, and it's kind of like bendy rubber type stuff, so if you knock it, whatever. The buttons here are pretty similar, although this one on the end means you can now pair it with the newer JBL speakers. So this won't pair with the first Boombox, but it will pair with the Flip 5 and whatever the other new ones are. Like I've shown you just a second ago, the battery is shown on this line instead of the dots, which doesn't, to be honest, I think I prefer the dots, because this line, it's just kind of, I would show you, but it would connect to my phone and it would make the video a lot harder to film. But it's just, it's kind of hard to tell where the line actually stops. So on the back we've just got the same waterproof type panel here, and when you open it, we've got, sorry about the terrible camera filming strategies, we've got the power on the left there, we've got the USB out, so you can charge your phone, whatever you want from it. That one I'm guessing is for like updates and whatever, and on the far right you've got a light, like a aux in, line in port in case you want to plug it into a computer or whatever you want to do. The grip's a little bit different, as you can see. Just trying to get the light right. So it says Boombox 2 on the top, which is pretty cool. I thought they could have made that lit up, but apparently not. So, but as you can see on the bottom here, it's quite comfortable to hold, and considering it's a 6 kilogram speaker, they've done a very good job of making it not too painful to carry over, long distances and whatever. So that's pretty much all I have to say, really. The reason I sold the last two, which you've seen in my videos, is because, well, mainly because I like taking them outside and stuff, and the big Sony one was just too heavy, and the other one was, it wasn't very loud really, and it was not waterproof. Neither of them were waterproof or really that rugged, so a football to that LG one probably would have broken it, which obviously we can't be having. Whereas this has already taken a football and a couple, as you can see, a couple rolls it did yesterday. But apart from slight body damage, the actual speaker still functions fine. So that's what I like about JBL, basically. I'm gonna give it a little sound test now. Hopefully that's cool. So see you there. Okay, so we've got it connected up to the computer here, and I'm going to be doing a little sound test for you. Obviously it doesn't, I've got nothing to really compare it to, but yeah, it's nostalgia for the song as well, by the way, if anyone remembers.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
Jesus Christ. Alright, well, there's that. Got some cool screenshots at least.